I have a Celestron Nexstar 8se mount here, and this is for, currently what I'm using this for is an 8-inch SCT, a Celestron. And so here's the problem, is that under the weight of the telescope, this clutch is too loose. And if you move it too quickly or even accidentally just touch it, the telescope moves. And so what I need to do is find a way to tighten this clutch up. Normally, what I'm used to are equatorial mounts where we have clutches that you can just simply adjust at will. But here, as you can see, there is no adjustment for the clutch on the outside. This is just to hold the dovetail plate. So let's take a look at this and see if we can fix this. Now let's take the hand controller off. And then right here, you're going to see a plate, and this is the clip that holds the hand controller. And so we're going to take this plate off. Now I put it down so that I don't accidentally drop the screws down into the cavity. Just take a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to put my screws off to the side. Your best bet is to have a magnetic tip screwdriver to hold those screws. This one is not. Now this knob right here, this should be how you tighten the clutch. So let's see if we can make that work. Now I had to go out in the shop and look around. I never could find the exact size socket that works on this. It's a metric and I do not have it. I don't know exactly what it is. So I believe this is a 1 1/4. And it's a little loose, but it was enough to make this work. Okay, so what I've done here is I still have the back off, and then I put this 8-inch Schmidt Cassegrain scope on here, and now when I tap it, it doesn't fall. I mean, that's how loose this nut was. And so we've got full range of motion, and now I can use this mount and this scope without it falling. So basically that's all there is to it. It's just this little nut here, and I want to caution you, don't over tighten it, and just go a little bit at a time and a little bit at a time, because if you over tighten it, the stepper motors will eventually wear out because if there's too much friction and it's too hard to turn it. And so this tracks, and we need to have a free movement yet not falling on its own. And so it's just go a little bit and test it and a little bit and test it, and you'll get a feel for it. And so that's all there is to it.